Hi, my name is Zach Dewhurst and I'm the owner of PrintPhase. It is not uncommon for one of your customers to approach you and demand just one or two garments with a simple one-color job. When this happens, it is not exactly ideal to use screen print transfers, but instead heat transfer vinyl. Our heat transfer vinyl is available in over 40 colors. It can be applied to both cotton poly blend products, and even 100% polyester products. Now, another cool thing about our heat transfer vinyl is that it's available in over 20 different types of patterns and glitter effects. These are really cool different things that screen print transfers sometimes lack. Now, when it comes to heat transfer vinyl, first the design must be cut. Now, in order for it to be cuttable, it must be a vector. The reason is vectors use lines and curves, and so does the cutter in which to cut the design. If it's a bitmap, for instance, designed in like Photoshop, it's made of a bunch of little pixels, and those pixels are not cuttable. So you must use a vector program like CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator to make sure that the design can be first cut. Now, once you cut the design, we have to weed away all of the excess materials. So once all of that is weeded away, you're left with your finished transfer. Now, this transfer is applied very similar variable settings as our other screen print transfers. We're going to first remove any wrinkles or moisture that may exist within the garment by pressing it for 3 to 5 seconds. Once you've done that, you're going to take the vinyl transfer and you're going to place it where you want on the garment. And again, we're pressing it at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 seconds with medium to firm pressure. That is a little bit higher of a time than our typical screen print transfers. Now, our heat transfer vinyl is a cold peel transfer. So just like with our low temperature, our metallics, and our glitters, we're going to first rub the transfer for 5 to 10 seconds with a heat eraser or another garment. Now, it's a cold peel, so we're not going to peel this until at least 20 to 30 seconds later. The amount of time that you peel the vinyl all depends on how much temperature is being applied with the vinyl. One of the best things about heat transfer vinyl is that it can be applied at not only 375 degrees, but as low as 280 degrees, just like our low temperature transfer. Now, the lower the time, the quicker the peel. So at 375 degrees, we're more of a cold peel versus if we're applying it at 280, it's going to be a much quicker peel. Now, again, the reason why you'd want to be able to apply it at 280 degrees is because you want to avoid scorching synthetic materials like 100% polyester garments. And vinyl is a great option for doing custom names and numbers on synthetic poly jerseys. Now that we're pretty cold, we're going to peel it away just like our other transfers in a nice, smooth, continuous motion. And there you go. You'll just toss away your backing just like any of the other transfer. Now, one thing about heat transfer vinyl is that you have to, again, heat seal it by pressing it again for 5 to 10 seconds. And in this case, we highly suggest using craft paper. So we're going to just put the craft paper over the print, and we're going to press it for, again, a good 5 to 10 seconds. This is just going to give us that added peace of mind that it's truly cured onto the garment. Another great thing about vinyl is you will never have any opacity problems. This white vinyl will look more opaque on a black shirt than nearly anything else. The vinyl simply does not let the color of the garment come through and penetrate it. If you have any questions about heat transfer vinyl and how to order it, or even perhaps in-source it yourself, we will sell you a cutter and the vinyl. If you have any questions regarding why you should use heat transfer vinyl, please do not hesitate contacting us. Thank you.